All right, let's solve this question together. Okay, we are given a plus 200 all raised to 3 plus a equals 22. All right, so let's represent a plus 200 by a variable. Okay, so let a plus 200 be y. Okay, all right, so it means that where you see a plus 200, you put y there. So let's bring back y. So we have y to the power 3 plus a equals to 22. All right, now let's do substitution here since we are working in terms of y here. Okay, so let's bring a here. From here we can make it a subject. So from here we can say a is the same as y minus 200. So y minus 200. So I can say that y cube, okay, plus y minus 200 equals to 22. So we have y cube plus y minus 200 minus 22 equals to 0. So this one will be y cube plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now this one becomes as a simple polynomial. Okay. So let's solve for the first factor here using factor theorem. So if f of a equals to 0, it means x minus a is a factor. If f of minus a equal to 0, x plus a will be a factor of that. Okay, so let's do the try and error here. So we have y cube plus y minus 22. Sorry, 222 is equal to 0. So let's put 5 here. We have 125 plus 5. So 125, that would be 0. So 130. So let's try 6. So I think 6 will work. 6 cube plus 6 minus 222 will be 0. Okay. So that's that. All right. So it means f of 6. So we have y minus 6. Okay. As the first factor. So let's go to the division process as we find the second factor. Okay, so we have y minus 6. So y cube, and let's introduce squared, plus 0y squared plus y minus 222. Okay. So y into y cubed will be y squared. So y squared times y cubed have minus 6y squared. So let's subtract this minus that. This minus that will be 6y squared. So we have plus y minus 222. Y into this will be plus 6y squared minus 36y. Let's subtract this minus that 0. So y minus, so we have plus 37 y minus 222. Side is plus 37. So 37 times y times 6 is 222. So we have this side to be 0. Okay, so we have y minus 6 and y squared plus 6y plus 37 equal to 0. Okay, so the first answer will be y minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 6. Okay, so let's look for the second. So the second equation, y squared plus 6y plus 37 equals to. All right, so let's solve this one using the almighty formula. So a is 1, b 6, c is 37. So we have y plus or minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. So we have y, so minus 6 plus or minus 6 squared 4 times 1 times 37 on 2 times 1. So we have y minus 6 plus or minus 36 minus, so this one will be 4 times 37. So it will be 148 on 2 times 1, 2. So we have y minus 6 plus or minus, so we have 36 minus 148, that will be minus 112 on 2. Okay, so we have y minus 6 plus or minus, so this side is the same as minus square root of minus 1 times square root of 112 on 2. So square root of minus 1 is same as I. Okay, that's the complex numbers. So my y here will be minus 6 plus or minus 112I on 2. So we have 3 answers. The first one is y equals 6. The second one will be minus 6 plus square root of 112I on 2. Then the third one will be y equals minus 6 minus 112I on 2. So this one won't satisfy the equation. So this one is rejected. Okay, so we have a plus, remember a plus 200 equals to y. So let's take y to 6. A plus 200 equal to y. So y equals 6. Okay, so we have a plus 200 equals to 6. Therefore a 6 minus 200. So a is minus 194. Okay, so a plus 1 equals to y. So y has given us 3 solutions where 2 have been rejected. So we have the real answer is 6 minus 200, which is minus 194. Alright, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this.